Good day everyone, I'm Dexter Dalida from House of Hufflepuff. The title of this film is Unfriend Dark Web. The director of this is Stephen Susko. The character is Matthias O'Brien, CJ Lex, AJ, Nari, Jack, Serena Lange, Erika Dun, Amaya, Kelly, Damon, Barely 18, Charon, Charon 4, Charon 5, Charon 6, and the final Charon. The synopsis of this film is all about the group of friends discover a laptop filled with disturbing content from the dark web, and they not aware they become a target of a hacker. In this film, the ICT trends tackle in cybercrime because the film ICT characters discover a hidden online marketplace in the dark web where you can see the illegal activities like violence. Second one is cyberbullying. It starts when the group of friends gathering online and something went wrong. As a result of Lex is being bullied and saying some hurtful and derogatory comments. The internet threats on the film is hacking. When Matthias is logging in the cyber cafe, he discovered the encrypted files and he tried to access it, and after that the owner of the laptop is know him and track the laptop. Online surveillance. The characters discovered may be monitored when the device's unexpected pop-up messages and files, and also when their personal information has been revealed. This film teaches us to be careful online, mostly on the unknown website, and also remind us to protect our privacy and be careful about who we interact only.